Okay, hello dear friends, let's have some story time. So I am on WeChat, so I always have some stories, and they have some good stories on WeChat, and it's in Chinese, so it's not my story. I borrow it and will tell you this. Okay, I put it a little bit closer to my camera so that you can hear it. So the first story. There was one time there was a guy, a gentleman, a guy. He was passing through a river. There was a river. Maybe I should write it down. So there was a river, and he was about to pass by the river. He went across the river. Where is the... Need some paper. Okay, this is it. So we take a look. Are we in the right zoom? Ooh, so this is the bowl. Sorry, that must be too much noise. Okay, I put it down a little bit so that you can hear me. And so this is the pure collection. Oh, that's a very pure lungo, pure cappuccino, pure mug, recipe glass, granola coffee, apple iced coffee. That's bizarre. Yeah, pure rock dispenser, and this is a pure rock dispenser. Okay, let's take a look at the pure rock dispenser. Modern design meets pure elegance. Designed to release. Conçu pour délivrer l'intensité et les aromas de nos grands crus. La pure collection réussit à enchanter tous les sens. Nespresso a sollicité les créateurs innovants du studio de dessin Sus Big Game pour dessiner une gamme qui aille l'intemporalité de la prochaine à une allure contemporaine. Réputé pour interpréter les objets quotidiens qui gagnent en élégance pour en conservant la silhouette. Leur utilité. Les créateurs de Big Game ont détourné la silhouette légendaire du monogramme Nespresso pour donner vie à cette gamme. Ils ont su transformer les angles vifs en courbe, tendre, sans rien céder de l'authenticité que fonde l'image de Nespresso. Chaque tasse adopte la forme parfaite pour assurer une ergonomie idéale. Et passeur de la prochaine vraie avec la taille de chaque tasse pour préserver nos grands crus à la température idéale. Pure collection, apportez une touche de luxe à vos moments au café, une merveilleuse façon de vous faire plaisir chaque jour. Voilà. Designed for release the intensity and aroma of our Grand Cru, the Pure collection manages to please all the senses. Nespresso invited innovative Swiss studio Big Game to create a range that would fuse the timelessness of porcelain with contemporary design, known for reinterpreting everyday objects and rendering them both beautifully and useful. Big Game played with Nespresso's iconic monogram shape in bringing the range to life, transforming crisp angle into soft curves, and all while staying true to the authenticity Nespresso is known for. Each cup is perfectly shaped to feel ideal in the hand and on the lip. Yet their thickness varies with size to keep their Grand Cru at the perfect temperature, adding a luxurious detail to coffee moment. The Pure collection is a perfect way to indulge yourself every day. Au design moderno incontrarsi como a elegancia pura. Modern design onde mio pure elegantie. This is which language, I don't know. Modernist design créatif, il design moderno incontra eleganza pura. Okay, anyway, so let's take a look at it. Oh wow, this is so beautiful, and the strange, I touched it there, and there is a very strange feeling. It feels like magnetic. Let me see if this is really magnetic. And you put it here. Wow. It is magnetic, I feel. Is that magnetic? It could not be because this is plastic. But I think the design, the beauty of the design is that you feel that you have to pull it. Maybe because it's just perfectly this shape, and that is, yeah, it's not magnetic. If I put something, in between, it is not sealed. Here it is sealed. You feel a suction because it sucks. There is no seal, and you want to pull it out, you need to really pull it. That's such a beautiful design. In any direction you feel it. I think the technique of it is the smoothness of the bowl and perfect with the base. And you feel, you have to pull it because it completely, there is no any room, no any, it's so smooth, sealed together, and you feel that, I love it. And you can put some coffee in. Okay, I have some good new coffee. And this is the new collection. We just had it this time. This is an exploration collection. Wow, beautiful. Look at it. Open that up. Must be this way to open. I want to make sure it is. Must be this way to open. Oh no. Anyway. If it is not so easy to open, then it is okay, because I have this bowl. So I will not use this paper. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is the Ethiopian. Oh, that's very African. Colombia. That is so Latin America feel that. Check the pattern design, so beautiful. What is inside? Oh, I love it. Whoa. I love it. That's so pretty. Let's open this one. Perfect. Oh, so pretty. Don't you feel happy to have this beautiful coffee? And some other color. I will not open up the others. I bought 150. No, I bought 200. Yeah, but so pretty. Love it. You have a wonderful, 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 wonderful. This bowl, I do not use it for coffee because we have a place to put coffee. And I will use this bowl for my pencils, for my erasers, for my madeleines, and for my little things. I don't know, I will find cookies, and yeah. You have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening. I'm sorry for wasting your time, but when times is hard, sometimes we need to do things that seems meaningless because we want to find and retrouve and refine and pick up ourselves, our broken heart, and come back to our sense. Tomorrow I start late, so I have some time. I decide to put myself into the right mood and put myself to relax myself by doing some of these useless things. And it's important that you take care of yourself. You do something only for yourself, because if you are lost, if we are lost, we do not have strength. We need to nourish our heart and soul, to balance ourselves from inside. And once we are balanced, we went out, we just cleansing up ourselves. Some people prefer to do meditation, and some people prefer not to think about anything, or have a time just think about nothing, and cleansing their heart and soul. Whichever way, we need a time, an action of refined ourselves, refined our strengths, and collect ourselves.